Okay, I would like to say shout outs to my mom, my dad, my loved ones, Omo Manone, and my classmates for Nina. Do my students for Sunina. Shout outs to you all. And keep on watching Kel's films.
Obi bi ohwe me na fo no mo akra na me chobia Kumasi for me chobia. Shout out to all my friends. Bye bye and keep watching Kel's Films TV on YouTube. Subscribe and comment. Okay, bye.
Alewa 20 pesos. Gotcha, na ko so mami ya minima o.
We dey hear shit.
But o baby bi. Face mask. Oh, there be a papa. I say no smacks. Where we are never told.
We need that Empedia. Man, they need that Empedia.
Oh, there be way now. Right.
Name said that the Empedia, sister. Name said that the Empedia. I don't know if I'm that the Empedia. That the Empedia, the other day, me free, they publish a club and the Empedia.
That's not the way they say.
But we never from the moment talk. And this weapon coming from the real.
And you win now because I was saying never talk. Where the new one you do? Where is it? Why? Two cities.
You change my tongue.
Other one.
You change my tongue.
Ah, now so we want to be
living there for me. Problem never living there. Let's not have snow.
And yes, she would have Junam different.
About your period.
Catch Missy two cities.
Mammy, you were not me. I go for the Empedia.
Now that the Empedia would know that you be anywhere saying, Jinama Miska. Catch it, Missy Jinama Miska. Ade, it was no smart say, I would see ya. What is so him? I said, Balu. What whom you go?
What's my name? Said,
who is a Balu? Ah,
man, you will free our way to Saka.
That's it, Jinama to Menyam to be mount for no yali now one of Efa Mamma Yami no smack.
One can say, toy the other. Maybe say, toy
the toy, I guess, some me pampa so. They can't so me. So I won't trust in me and now, sorry. If you have about
kasa ya de be de say with France. Ya de be.
Masa tina ma miska na me me pede de. 6 cities.
What's wrong with you?
But you me me
Action. Would you know how? Action. Would you know how?
Yes, welcome some more. Pick up. Okay.
Roll.
Pick up. Roll. Go down. Rolling. Pick up. Cut.